my name is Caleb and I'm from 3C, and today I'm going to be showing you the amazing colorful erupting magic potion. The purpose of this experiment is to know the science behind this erupting potion. The main things required to do this experiment are baking soda, white vinegar, dish liquid, and some colors and glitter. And there are 3 bowls and 1 spoon. So first you have to add all the 3 bowls with white vinegar. Then you have to take dish soap and add 1 drop to each one. Then you have to take colors, and then you have to take one and put which one you want. Next, you're gonna add glitter to make it more interesting. So then you add a little bit of glitter. And then I'm gonna be adding baking soda, baking powder, and fruit salt. Wow! Look at what we have created! Wow! Take a look at this amazing eruption. Have you seen this somewhere? Yes, when you open the bottle of soda, you experience the same fizz and eruption when the bottle is shaken. That's because vinegar and dish soap and baking soda combines together and forms a gas which is called carbon dioxide. So when acid base is neutral substance combined, there is a chemical reaction forming gas which can't contain inside the bottle. When the bottle is shaken, they erupt outside as carbon dioxide, not inside. They want to be outside like a volcano. Lastly, I want to say why I use baking powder and fruit salt to the 2 bowls that are here, because it's a really good substitute for making the eruption. If you don't have soda, you can always try baking powder and also fruit salt, because it's a very nice way of making an eruption for this experiment. So I love doing this experiment. I hope you try this, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.